Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for the throat chakra. The throat chakra is the essence of your expression and truth. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and without interruption. Gently close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension that you may feel. Take another deep breath in, filling your belly with air, and exhale fully. Release all that is no longer serving you. One last time, take a deep breath in and out, letting go of what no longer serves you. Imagine a grounding cord extending from the base of your spine, anchoring you deep into the earth. Feel this connection stabilize you, bringing you into the present moment. With each breath, draw up this stable energy into your body, feeling centered and at peace. Shift your focus to your throat. Visualize a luminous, bright blue light at your throat, glowing with the power of communication and truth. As you breathe in, this blue light becomes more vibrant. And as you breathe out, imagine releasing any blockages or fears of speaking your truth. Inhale deeply, drawing in clarity and openness to your throat chakra. Hold the breath for a moment, feeling the energy build. And as you exhale, envision any hesitations or miscommunications dissolving away. With each breath, feel more empowered to express your authentic self. Now, let Let's affirm our intention to speak and live our truth. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I speak my truth with clarity and kindness. I listen and communicate with an open heart. My voice is strong and clear. I express myself authentically and freely. I am worthy of being heard. I allow creativity to flow through me. My words reflect my inner peace and wisdom. Feel these affirmations resonate within your throat, empowering your voice and your truth. Picture yourself expressing your truth confidently in a situation where you previously felt restrained. See this interaction unfolding positively, your voice resonating with honesty and strength. Feel the liberation of expressing your true self. Take a deep breath in, gathering all the positive energy you've cultivated. As you exhale, gently release the breath, feeling refreshed and revitalized. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the space around you with a renewed sense of self-expression and truth. Carry the energy of your balanced throat chakra with you, and let your authentic voice shine through in all your communications. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Until next time.